Hi, is it okay to use Thai in the classroom? Speaking Thai in the classroom is frowned upon by many employers in the kingdom. However, there are ways in which you can make use of this language. Here is how. 1. You can make use of Thai if you're teaching a lesson that involves target vocabularies. Perhaps you want your students to understand this lesson. Then you may want to translate the key vocabularies into the first language, which is Thai. 2. You can use Thai to build connection between you and the parents. Supposing you have to meet up with parents perhaps once a month or once a term. Maybe this group of parents can appropriately express themselves in English. This is where Thai comes in handy. You may use your proficiency in the language to communicate and put across your ideas. 3. You can use Thai language to establish rapport with weaker students in the classroom. Weaker students in terms of English proficiency. There are always a set of students who may not conveniently follow up on your lesson. Calling this group of students on one-on-one conversation with the mother tongue will help to build confidence, and by extent they will open up to you to discuss whatever might be their challenge as far as your lesson is concerned. The next point you may want to consider is the fact that Thai can help you relate with your Thai colleagues. Many Thai colleagues in Thai schools can barely express themselves in English. Therefore, if you can speak Thai, it makes them feel at ease and they will definitely want to communicate with you. And finally, your Thai ability can actually help you to always be in constant communication with your school director. It is common knowledge that most directors, otherwise known as PO in Thai language, can speak English. And this might partly explains why it's difficult as a foreign teacher to have an audience with a director in a school. But if the director is aware that you can speak Thai, he or she will certainly want to get in touch with you. And this is good for you because you have the opportunity to communicate whatever challenges that you may be having at your job site. I hope these few tips helps you to use the language wisely, but remember, only use Thai when it's necessary. And if your school says it's a no, 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 then do not do it. Thanks for watching. Until then, see you next time. Bye.